Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 7th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So gold is actually extremely sideways today. It did look like it was trying to end the correction at the 38%, but then it really just went up, rejected structure, and just kept on going down. I still think there is a chance that this is a correction to this move up. I also could see the possibility of this right here being one big ABC correction and this actually continuing the downtrend. So I would definitely still be watching these Fibonacci levels closely. If we do get that like 3, 4, 5 shape with a nice clear break and hold above structure, then I would definitely still take it as a long. I still think it is more likely to go up and take out this high back here. But if you do not see this picture right here, then do not go long and actually continue to look for shorts on even shorter time frames than this. Otherwise, if it does make that 3, 4, 5 shape with a breaker structure, I would go long and I would still be expecting this wave 4 high to be taken out. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.